Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Newiballd Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. From today we'll be now starting with our Java series. Now we'll be covering up Java projects and Java, all the apps and everything we'll be covering up. Like previously we are working on Django with Python, which was very helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed all projects of that. If you have don't watch that, so first of all check that all videos of beginners, intermediate and advanced, then move to this Java projects, because that is easy, but Java will be just not so much easy. You have to learn about that, and we'll be going in depth and learning more than enough things which will be really helpful for you. And I hope you will be enjoying this series also, like you are enjoying the Django and Python series. Like previous series was really long of Django and Python, so this series of Java will be also really long, but it will be longer than Django with Python, because in that we are not having any important projects. In this we'll be having websites, or you can say apps, and many other projects which we'll be building. Like we have built 10 projects of beginner, 10 projects of intermediate, 13 projects of advanced in the Django Python series. Here also we'll be building like that projects. I will be making many of that projects of Java, which should be really helpful for you, and I hope you'll be enjoying these all series which we have just coming up next also. So after that we'll be also coming on like machine learning on that language. Like previously we have covered up AI and many other in Python. Now we are coming up at the Java, so I can show you how to build apps and many things in that. Like you can use that apps in mobile or PC also, so that will be really helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our project, but before that I want to tell you, like this project will be of like of, you can say, interactive project we'll be building with Java. So this interactive project is not like project name, it is simply a project here. So just don't take like it is any project. So it is not a project, it is a beginner thing which we are building in Java. So it will be clear your all the thoughts related to Java you are having, and your all the things which you are having in Java. So it will be really helpful for you. So now first project will be of interactive which we will be building, but it will be like I'm telling you, not a project, a thing. So I can show you and I can clear your thoughts like what Java is about and what things we'll be building in future. So just I hope you enjoy this project also, like we enjoyed previous projects, and just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I've shown you, like what we'll be building one interactive project. So like I'm telling you, it is just a project in which I will show you how to write first code of Java, which should be really helpful for you, because while working on project before that we want to know like what codes we'll be writing in Java and what things we'll be writing in Java. But before that, if you are just new here and watching this video for the first time, so please hit the like here, and just also if you want to give motivation to me, so please subscribe on my channel also if you are new here, and also hit the notification bell after that, from which you'll be getting all the notifications of my video which I'll be uploading. So these all videos which I am uploading will be really helpful for you, and you will be learning more things from that and many other things. So please do that all things, subscribe and do more than enough thing which you can do to give motivation to me, and I'll be just coming up with more new projects which will be really helpful for you here. So just now it will be just really helpful. So just we'll be now starting with our project. So before starting our project, just you have to open your VS Code here, means your Visual Studio Code, which is a text editor in which you can write your codes. If you have not installed that, so just you can go to Google Chrome to install that. You can see I have opened link, so you can just move here and write Google, and then when you have opened your Google, just write here VS Code. When you will be writing that, so at the first link you will be getting your VS Code text editor. Just press its first link, and then you will be getting one website of Visual Studio Code. It's a full form of that, and you can just download from Windows. And if you are using Mac or Linux, you can press this icon here, and then you will be getting from Mac also Windows X, you can say Windows X4 means bit. If you are having there 2 bits in Windows, one bit 32 and bit 64, you can install that for bit 64, or by pressing that you can install there inside it. You can see Linux bit 64, and Mac OS is also there, which is universal. So these are really helpful things, and this is really helpful text editor from which you can just see, and you can also see like these are the things and these are the comments of their testimonials who have just used that. And if I move down, and you will be getting more enough things in that. So just this is a website from which you can download VS Code. So here I'll be closing this, and then I will be just moving and open my VS Code here. So when you have just opened that, I have just already opened my link of that. I will be simply taking a new file and closing that all files here, press new file. Then you have to do one thing here, just close that all. This is a folder which I was working on. Then I will be making one new window, closing this file and then maximizing that. Now we have taken, now you have to save this file with the name of Java. So for saving the file in the name of Java, just first of all you have to select the location where you have to save the file. Just select the location where you are working, or you can also select desktop if you don't want to just move in the disk and work. So I will be selecting local disk app because my local disk C is more than enough, not empty. So because of that I am doing that. You can give any of the name to your file, but the important thing is like you have to write dot, then write the name which I am telling. So you have to write the name, any name you can give. So I will be giving the name of like project. Okay, so I'll be giving first. If I do that, then the important thing is that you can write any name at the starting, like I've written first. You can write your own name, my channel name, or any other name you want to write. You can just write here. Then after that, write dot here and then save it with the name of J. Okay, and then you have to do one thing here. Just press J as here. Then press local disk tab and just save your file here and press save. You can see now you have saved your first Java file here. Congratulations, like you have saved your first Java file. If you are working first of all in Java, and if you are working first time in Java, so you can see now we have save our file first time in Java. You can see that how cool looking is that. We have saved our file now. And when you're done with that things, you have to first of all go at the first. There I'll be zoom in what codes you have to write here to start with your first project. Here if I move and if I write a project, if I write console, first of all if I move, and then here I will be writing a tag which will be just like this bracket. Then in this bracket I will be writing console, and when you've written this console, if I move here and then if I write a thing which will be just like here button, and in this button tag here first of all it is move down. Okay, so first project which we have to move, so first project which we have to write, sorry. So here I will be writing console.log, make this, and here you have to write my first code of Java language. If I do that, save here, and then you have to move to that file where you have just saved your, like I was just saving that in JavaScript. Okay, so here your JavaScript file is. So just first of all move here and you have to work with Java. So take new file here. Then you have to save it with the name of HTML, because HTML is a browser where we will be showing our Java code. So here I will be saving one HTML file with the name of .html if you have learned HTML. Save here, and you have to link this Java file here. So you have to do one thing, just move here and write a tag which will be like script for linking. In Java file you have to just make a HTML file in which you'll be writing a script tag. Here I'll be writing first.js. Save this file here, and you can see I have just linked my Java file here. And when you have linked your file, then when you will be writing anything in your Java file, so it will be coming in your HTML file at the browser. If I open my HTML file, I was also saving that in the local disk app with the name of HTML. Okay, so fine, you can see there it is the file. I will be opening it in the Google Chrome, and you can see nothing is coming here. But if I press right click, go to inspect, and if I press this thing, so now you will be seeing the one magic here. So just top, and here you can see that. Here if I move to console, then you can see here your first HTML code is coming, but if I press, so you can see nothing happens. There is coming error like it is not defined. So here I will be doing one thing now. I'll be opening to my VS Code again. Here I'll be moving to my VS Code. Here when you've done that, just you have to do one thing. Copy this, erase from here and paste it here. So if I now save it again, then if I move to Google Chrome and refresh it, so go to inspect again, console, and here when you can just write your codes, just press console, and you can see now the error is gone, because now we have worked with that and our error is not coming because we have just shown our attribute of this thing which we are getting here. Open it, and you can see now we are getting our first JS which we have just written, but we are still not getting our this file. You can see first.js in which we have written my first code of Java. So here it is not coming because we have just not defined this file here. So I will be doing and moving one thing, like I will be just coming here, then we have defined a script tag here, and when you define your script tag, just save this file again, then move here, and you have to do one thing, just write here let, and in this let you have to write equals to, here I will be writing console, and if I write first Java code. So these are the tags which are really important in Java to make any project or app in Java. If I move here and if I just do one thing here, like let, here I will be now tagging and writing a print, here I will be writing let. If I do this thing here and saving this file from here, moving to here and just refreshing it, move to console, so you can see the error is gone because now we are just getting our answer of our this project. But when we are just not writing it, when we are writing in this tag here, if I move, copying this here, and when we are writing like this, so we are getting error because it is not the form which we want to write. If I hit refresh, go to console, you can see the error is coming, and if I just want to change this error here, correct, so here I'll be copying that, pasting here, give space, and now our text will be just coming, move here and refresh that. So you can see now it is gone. So these are the basic things of Java which you want to know if you want to make any projects or app. But now this is the first, you can say this is the first beginner thing which I am just telling you. So you can just all the thoughts about Java should be just clear from your mind, and you can learn what are the codes in Java are important, what are the basic things which we have to learn in Java. So these are the some of the basic things which you know about Java. So from that you will be a good Java developer at the beginner level, but we'll be covering up the beginner projects about that and then moving to intermediate and advanced. But this is the beginner first class which you want to know how, what are the important codes in Java, what are things from which we can see our Java code and how to see Java code. So these are the things which you want to know at the starting, and when you will be just knowing these things, then forward you will be learning more enough things in that also which should be really helpful for you. So that this is enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll be enjoying my previous videos also which I have uploaded. Check my React course if you want to check it out, and if you don't want to learn JavaScript, I have also uploaded that all course. You can check that out on my channel. I have also uploaded 10 minutes project of Java. You can say these are the projects which you can make with Java for beginners level, that are also really helpful for you. You can check that out. And now our Java series has started, and I hope you'll be enjoying this series. So just I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you also enjoying these all projects which we are making here of Java. First video I hope you enjoy of Java. So just I'll be meeting you next project. But before that, if you have liked this video, so please hit or smash that like button if you are just learning more than enough things. Also hit subscribe button if you are new here. Just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.